I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Webull for options trading. First, you'll need to open a Webull brokerage account if you haven't already. Once your account is active, make sure it's approved for options trading. It's also important to fund your account with sufficient capital, ideally at least $2,000, especially if you plan on margin trading. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start to your options journey. Next, within the Webull app, navigate to the Trading tab. Here, you'll find the section to apply for options trading. You'll need to complete an application form that asks about your trading experience and financial situation. During this process, you'll also select your desired options trading level. Choose the level that best matches your experience and the strategies you intend to use. Webull offers different options trading levels, each allowing specific strategies. Level 1 typically permits covered calls and cash-secured puts. Level 2 expands your capabilities to include buying calls and puts. As you gain experience, you can apply for higher levels, which enable more complex strategies such as credit spreads or iron condors. Understanding these levels is key to trading effectively. Finally, you're ready to place your first options trade. Start by researching an underlying asset you're interested in. Then, select the specific option contract and strategy you wish to employ. Carefully review all the order details, including the strike price, expiration date, and premium. Once everything looks correct, confirm your order to execute your trade. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.